Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will learn Quranic alphabets from Waw to Ya. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Waw. Our first letter is Waw. Waw. Please read after me. Waw. Waw. Sometimes people read wow. Sometimes people read wow. Wa is wrong pronunciation. Wa is wrong. So read wow. Wow. Please read after me. Wow. Remember, wow. Wow has no dot on top. Wow. And remember, pronounce wow by making lips sound. Please read after me. Wow. Wow. Our next letter is ha. 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 Please read after me. Ha. Ha. Pronounce ha from lower part of throat. Make a deep sound. Please read after me. Wow. Wow. Ha. Ha. Wow. Ha. Our next letter is Hamza. 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 You can read after me. Hamza. Hamza. Please don't take help from English like this. Hamza. 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 Our next letter is Ya. 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 Both are similar letter, only different in writing. This is Ya. This is also Ya. Please read after me. Ya. Ya. Ya has two dots below the letter. Next one, Ya, has also two dots below the letter. Ya. Ya. Please remember, both are same, only different in writing. Ya. Ya. Ya, Ya. Alhamdulillah, we have completed Quranic alphabets. In next class, inshallah, we will learn some letters which have similar sound or same sound. So there are so many confusion. So I will teach you these letters from, for example, ha, sin, sod, val, za, za. They are different letters, but all of them have similar sound. We will learn about those letters inshallah soon. Now you please practice this lesson 3 times a day for 3 days, and we will learn inshallah next lesson. If you have any question according to this lesson, please leave a message below the video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
الله ربي والإسلام ديني ومحمدا رسول الله ويقيني أدنو إليه